Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw Zendaya from Far From Home. I don't know whether my pronunciation is correct or not, but I'm going to draw Zendaya. Friends, actually in my previous video I just said to leave the name of your favorite character from Marvel in comments, and I have received two comments on that day itself. The first comment, she said to draw Zendaya and Andrew. Then the second comment I received is to draw Hulk. Actually, I'm planning to draw Hulk for a long time, but I didn't get a perfect picture for that till now. So I'm just searching for that. You can hope a video. You can expect a video on drawing Hulk in my upcoming videos. Maybe the second video or third video, I don't know. Then, as for this drawing, I spent 4 hours in this drawing and I'm in urge to complete this because I just started this picture quite late. Actually, after completing my online classes, and I just gone to take my driving class and it's too late. So I just spent 4 hours for this drawing. But I just done my best in that 4 hours. I hope you like it. And friends, I'm using some minimum supplies for this drawing. In previous video I have received a comment that you are not a storyteller, you want to describe your art. Yes, of course, but if I didn't say anything, it's not going to be that much interesting. Then friends, this is the completed art and I have used graphite pencils, paper stumps and blending brush as well as the kneadable eraser. That's it, and here's the drawing friends. Hope you like it, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends who are interested in drawing. And if you are new to this channel, I'd love to have you subscribe right here and turn on my post notifications. Thank you so much for watching friends. See you